Hello, my fellow traders. How are you? Hope that you are all good and you didn't expect anything too big from the news that have just been on place. All right. So what did happen actually? Nothing special, by the way. So I have tried to buy New Zealand just before the news. So bought here. As you can see, let me make it bigger. So as you can see, I bought it here, just made it a 5-minute chart that you can see. So it was a pips trade, by the way. So for now, I'm just waiting for a crude oil inventories, by the way, just to try and trade oil, crude. Okay, so that's something what I'm waiting for. And nothing major has happened. So I also tried to sell franc. Let me switch it to franc. All right. Yes, as you can see, it was, well, just a very small stop loss, basically. So I sold it here, waited for a bit, then I decided to close it just before the news. All right. So that's basically something what has happened with me. So nothing major, didn't have any good or bad trades today. Well, did have a few trades, made some bucks, but not much. All right, so nothing special. All right, let's go through the market. Let's look at what is happening at the moment. All right, let's start with gold. And what I can see here is that we are actually approaching one level, which is 1360. Well, sorry, not this one. It's 1360.5. Good area to buy, by the way. I wouldn't place a limit order just here straight away, but at least it might be a good idea to kind of well, watch this area here, because we see the structural support around this area. It hasn't been triggered yet, so it might be a good buying opportunity. But we must know that we have another level, well, two levels here actually, but due to the well, changes in open interest, etc. So we have the closest level is 1355.20. So that's where it is. So what this is, in case if this level will be broken, then this will be another area to buy from. So wait for a price action to confirm your decision, then make a well, then place a limit order to get a better price. Mexican, so what do I see here? The price is still in the range, doesn't move anywhere at all at the moment. Do expect it to continue its up movement towards 1905. Dollar yen. Dollar yen. All right. So what do I see here? The price is in a range, is in a very tight range, by the way. So do expect it to continue its down movement, and this is the level to watch, 101.585 or 101.6. Easier to remember. Frankie. All right, so Frankie finally is going up, as you can see. Well, I've already shown you on my trading terminal. I do have another one on my top desk, basically. So it's not visible here in this webinar. All right, so well, I do wait this level to be triggered, 0.97085, possibly selling around this area, but we have to wait till the news are coming on Friday. So basically on Friday, all my, and not only mine, analysis can be changed a lot, and we can possibly do something different. So instead of selling, we might buy here as well. So I'm joking. It's just something that we have to watch the price action before the news and then kind of follow the market, what it does tell us. All right, so Canadian, do wait till this level is triggered. Basically, as we can see from the previous experience, which has happened yesterday, we might actually bounce off this level here. So because as we all know, we are not trading any kind of levels, we do trade areas. And basically, as we can see, the possible area of reversal is already reached. So that's what it is. So why I've placed it like this? Well, this is where we had a retracement before. This is something where we had one more retracement just below. So it might be a bit wider, just like this, I would say. All right. So it's about 7 pips plus or minus. All right, so that's something what we are watching now. Watch this price action. What we see at the moment, it's 15-minute chart. So always switch to 1-hour chart in case if you'll see some kind of a reversal. So if this hour will be closed higher than at least half of the previous one, then it might be some sort of reversal pattern. Why I'm saying these words is because I don't want to get into any kind of pattern names, etc. in this case. So we're just watching the, we are not kind of trying to name all the patterns. We're just watching the, well, basic price action around the levels and trying to work it for us. All right, so what it is, we do see a bounce of this area here. Might be a very good entry, by the way, with a first target at 1.31600. New Zealand is going to continue its down movement. That's something what I can see from now. It must close below this level here, which is 0.71762. When it will be closed there, okay, so when it will be closed here, we will try to buy from this area at 0.71600. So the price is closing below this level here, then it will continue to the level of 0.71600. All right, so we are going to buy it from here, okay? Sorry for the flame. And cable. Well, as you can see, this is the area where I was kind of doing my analysis, the first analysis in the morning. So now what we can see, well, I've expected the up move continuation, and I've expected this level to be broken. Well, sorry, let me remove this trend line. Channel line, sorry. So what do we have now? We do have a double top pattern here. This level has been triggered. Another hour closing below this level here, 1.333.320. We might, if you want, it's against the trend, but we can actually try to sell it with the limit order at this area, which is 1.33320. And the very first target, well, I would say a break-even target, which is 1.33050. And I wouldn't go in this case lower than 1.32819. So it's a scalp trade, I would say. It's not a scalp trade, but it's intraday, of course. Don't leave it till tomorrow, I would say. So just wait till today's closure, and that's it. It will be a time to close it. New Zealand, no, New Zealand have already been here. In Kiwi at euro dollar. Euro dollar did expect it to bounce off this level here. We did have some sort of signals around, but due to the news, the situation has changed for now, and the price is showing us something. So what do we have to do? We do have to wait for another 45 minutes till this candle is closed, and then we have to see what this candle was showing us. So basically what is happening? I was expecting a bounce of this level here, which is 1.11910. We do have a reversal kind of area. Well, I would place this one because we did have a previous volume weighted level around the area at 1.11700, what is also a congestion zone. So 1.1170 or 75 is the level to watch next one, in case if the price will be closed below the level 1.1191 and it won't show us any reversal pattern. So two things has to be on the place. No reversal patterns, closing below. Then we're expecting this level to be reached and buying. We'll try to buy it off here, from here, whatever. The only thing is that do remember about news that are coming on Friday, because we might have just a simple down moving market from here, from this area. So that's something what to expect actually. Okay, what we might expect. Sorry. Euro pound is something. Well, I do see a buying opportunity around this area actually. Don't really like this candle here, the previous hour, how it did close. Okay. So we might have a very good buying opportunity, but not really sure in it. And the target is just 46 pips away, which is quite good, by the way. So this is a target 0.84369. Don't really like how it looks. We must have a trend line on the place, just to make sure that you have it as well, guys. So the price has to break through it. So even though if you are buying now, your stop loss has to be below this level here, 0.83897, and you must watch this level here. So if the price will be closed above it, above this trend line, then our target might be, possibly will be hit, but don't really like this situation. Do not recommend you to do it at the moment. But we'll see. We might have some sort of head and shoulders pattern down, something like this. Okay. All right, so this is something to expect at the moment. Nothing to expect. Up movement continuation, possibly. So here, what do we have here? Aussie dollar. Well, the price, if the price will be closed below this level, then that's what we expect. The price will reach this level 0.75530 and then will bounce for a short time at least. So that's something what we are waiting for on the market for now. If you have any questions, please ask. Don't hesitate to place any excuse me, to place any questions in the comment section after the video is finished. If you want me to talk about something special on my next webinar, which will be in 4 hours time, then you can just simply place it in the comment section. So if you want me to talk about something, just ask and I will. Okay, okie dokie. Have a good day, have a good trade. I'll speak to you a bit later.